Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you the exact thing you need to do when he refused to propose. But before I may continue, the man that you are dating is nice. He is awesome. But there are things that you need to do to trigger his affection for proposal. If you never do anything to trigger his proposal, he will never do it. So I am telling you now that what you need is just simple tricks to make him to propose. But before I continue, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, online dating, relationship advice for women, and dating advice. So in case if you are searching for all this, subscribe to this channel because you are on the right channel for all this. So let's continue. A man that you have dated for years, both of you has flirts, go places, eat together, bath together, do so many things together for years, maybe 3, 4, 5 years, but no proposal. You never do something that will trigger that proposal. As a woman, if you really love a man, there are things that you need to do to motivate him to propose to you. There are things that you need to put in place to trigger his attention, his inner motion to propose you. Without doing all this, he can never propose. Some men might propose, but the right time is not yet ready. Some men might propose, but the time they expected is not yet available. So there are things to expect when the times come. Things like his behavior will change. He might think of testing you more. He might think of scrutinizing and checking things to know if the person he is dating is real the person. All these things that I'm telling you are men's secrets. So the things that you need to do are many, but in today's video I am going to give you some few things that you need to do to make him propose. But the most important thing is for you to think if you can truly tolerate him, if you can truly stick with him. What will you gain when he proposed? You get married to him, later there will be misunderstanding and divorce. So before you make a man to propose, make sure that you have taken the decision that come rain, come sun, both of you will stick together. You will stay with him, you will marry him, you will love him, and you will obey and respect him, of which all these are the things that makes marriage and relationship successful. So what are you going to do to make him to propose? 2 things that I am going to give you today are very simple, but apply them and see a perfect result. Number 1 is that you need to pray over him. Don't miss or underrate this trick. Pray over him. Do you know that working without prayer is a failure? But when you are working hard, once you want a man to propose to you, you love him, you obey him, you do whatever he asks you to do, you must learn to pray to back him up. Prayer can make him to stick with you. prayer can turn his mind to obey you, and prayer is powerful. The best tool to get anything you want is prayer. The best tool to get things done, physical and spiritual, is prayer. So what do you need to do with prayer? Pray and fast and ask God to tell you what he is all about. Pray and seek for his spiritual well-being. If he is the one for you, or if he is not the one for you. If he is not the one for you, there will be misunderstanding that will lead to separation. There will be things, behaviors that will come up to indicate that he is not the one. But if he is the one, there are still signs that will show you. So I will advise you to pray and fast over him. Once you pray and fast over him, if he is yours, the result will come out. But if he is not, you will still see the signs. So never neglect prayers and never neglect the power of prayer. Pray for him and watch his reaction. A second thing that you need to do is to respect him to the core and close your legs. As a woman, respect him to the core. Do you know what I mean by core? Respect him to the highest level and close your legs. Do you know that men value women that close their legs over them? Everything is not by open leg. Once you give a man sex, if the man wants to keep you, he will keep you. If he don't want to keep you, he will never keep you. So learn to respect him and close your legs. Respect him to the core and close your legs. Why will you close your leg? The more you close your leg, the more you are telling him that you are a virtue woman. The more you close your leg, the more you are telling him that you are serious with him. And the more you respect him, the more you melt his heart gradually. The more you are telling him that you are no longer ready for friendship, that you want marriage and you want to settle down with him. You want him to get married to you. This is what respecting him to the core and closing your leg indicates to every man. Every time is not by opening legs. No. As far as you are expecting proposal, as far as you want him to propose, but he never propose, learn to do all these things. It will motivate and it will go to his conscience and tell him that these persons really love you and he wants to settle down with you. So do all these traits that I give you today. Apply them in a normal way. Apply them with your conscience and your total mind towards it and see perfect results. Once you do all these things, gradually, you are melting his heart. You are telling him that you really love him and you want to settle down with him. And all men love a woman that expresses these feelings. All men loves a woman that shows all this quality. Men love hard women, but hard women does not mean that you are going to fight. No, but hard women is a woman. A hard woman is a woman that expresses all these qualities. Once you do it, see his reaction. He will propose to you. He will stick to you, and he must surely take you as the best you are he's one in a million. So do all these things and apply them with the level of integrity. But too much of everything is bad. Don't do it in a way that he will feel dejected or he will feel being right, but do it in a best way. Pet him, respect him, just show your love. Show him that you have much interest on him. The more you are doing all these things, the more you are melting his heart. And definitely, he will propose to you. I hope this video is interesting. I hope this video has a value. Please share this video. And before I will say or ask you to share this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get a new content like this. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a valuable video like this. Make sure that you share this video once again. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section below or comment on this video. Let me just know what you think. Don't watch this video without commenting. I just want to know your mind and I want to know if this video has a value for you. Please comment. I am expecting your comment. Subscribe to this channel and apply what I gave you. Apply all these tricks. The sky will be your limit. I love you all. I wish you the best. Good luck. See you in my next video.